Hi, welcome to Tab Tech. Today, we're diving deep into the ASUS TUF Gaming A18 Model FA808. This is one of the most talked about gaming laptops right now. It's big, powerful, and built for serious performance. If you're looking for a gaming laptop with a large display and top-tier specs, this one might be for you. Let's start with the design. The ASUS TUF Gaming A18 has a rugged look. It's made for gamers who need durability. The chassis is strong. It meets military-grade standards. That means it can handle a few bumps and knocks without trouble. The body feels solid. It doesn't flex easily. That's a good sign of build quality. The laptop is available in two color options, Jaeger Gray and Mecha Gray. Both look sharp. The design is bold, but not overdone. You can use it in a professional setting too. It's a big laptop. The 18-inch screen makes it feel more like a desktop. It's not super portable, but that's the trade-off for a large display. The weight is around 3.1 kilograms. That's heavy for a laptop. You probably won't carry it around every day. But if you need a powerful system mostly for home or a fixed location, this could be perfect. The display is one of its best features. It's an 18-inch Full HD Plus display with a 16:10 aspect ratio. The resolution is 1920 by 1200. The refresh rate is 165 Hz. That makes gaming smooth and fast. Response time is low, which is great for competitive play. The colors look good, and the brightness is decent. It supports adaptive sync, which reduces screen tearing. Whether you're gaming, editing videos, or watching movies, the screen won't disappoint. Under the hood, the TUF Gaming A18 packs serious power. You can configure it with AMD Ryzen 9 8945HS. That's an 8-core processor with 16 threads. It's fast and efficient. It handles gaming, streaming, and multitasking without lag. It uses AMD's latest Phoenix architecture, which helps with power management and speed. For graphics, it comes with NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4070 laptop GPU. This is a high-end graphics card. It delivers excellent frame rates in modern games. You can play titles like Cyberpunk 2077, Elden Ring, or Call of Duty at high settings without issues. It supports DLSS 3.0, which improves performance and image quality. Ray tracing is also available for more realistic lighting and shadows. The combination of Ryzen 9 and RTX 4070 makes this laptop a powerhouse. It's also ready for future games. You won't need to upgrade for a long time. The performance is not just for games. It's also good for creative work. If you edit videos, work with 3D models, or use heavy software, this laptop can handle it. It comes with up to 32 GB of DDR5 RAM. That's fast memory, and enough for gaming and multitasking. You can run several apps in the background without slowing down. RAM can also be upgraded if needed. The laptop has two SODIMM slots for storage. It supports up to 2 TB PCIe Gen 4 SSD. That gives you fast load times and enough space for your game library. Booting up Windows is quick. Loading games is even quicker. There's an extra M.2 slot if you want to add another SSD later. The cooling system is impressive. ASUS uses a combination of 5 heat pipes and 4 exhaust vents. It also includes dual 84-blade arc flow fans. These fans are quieter and more efficient than older models. The cooling works well even during long gaming sessions. The laptop stays cool, and performance remains stable. You can play for hours without worrying about overheating. The keyboard is full-size. It includes a number pad and full arrow keys. It has a 1.7mm key travel, which feels nice while typing. The keyboard is backlit with RGB lighting. You can customize the colors using the Armory Crate software. It supports different effects and profiles. The WASD keys are transparent, which adds a stylish touch. The touchpad is large and responsive. It tracks well and supports multi-touch gestures. But for gaming, most people will use a mouse. Still, It's a solid touchpad for general use. When it comes to audio, the laptop has dual speakers. They're tuned with Dolby Atmos. The sound quality is decent for a laptop. It's loud and clear. You can hear footsteps and background details in games. For better audio, you can use headphones. The 3.5mm headphone jack supports high-res audio, connectivity is strong. The laptop has a good range of ports. On the left side, you get an HDMI 2.1 port, USB Type-C with DisplayPort and power delivery, another USB Type-C with G-Sync support, and Ethernet. There's also a USB-A port and the charging port. On the right side, you get 2 more USB-A ports and a Kensington lock. That's a great selection for gamers and creators. You can easily connect monitors, drives, and peripherals. Wi-Fi 6E and Bluetooth 5.3 come standard. Wireless connections are fast and reliable. Online gaming is smooth, and file transfers are quick. You won't need to worry about lag or disconnections. Battery life is good for this category. It has a 90 Wh battery. For light use, like browsing or watching videos, you can get 6 to 8 hours. For gaming, you'll need the charger. Gaming on battery reduces performance, but that's normal for powerful laptops. Charging is quick, and the power brick is not too bulky for a gaming laptop. The software side is managed by ASUS Armoury Crate. It's a central hub for performance tuning, fan control, and lighting. You can switch between performance modes depending on what you're doing. It also helps monitor system temperatures and CPU/GPU stats. It's easy to use and helpful for gamers who want control. Another nice touch is the MUX switch with NVIDIA Advanced Optimus. This feature lets the laptop switch between integrated and dedicated graphics automatically. That improves battery life when you don't need full GPU power and boosts performance when gaming. It's smart and seamless. The webcam is 720p. It's okay for video calls, but not the best quality. It does have a physical privacy shutter, which is a great feature. The microphone is clear, and AI noise cancellation helps block background noise during calls or streams. Now let's talk about real-world gaming performance. In games like Cyberpunk 2077, you can get over 60 frames per second at high settings with ray tracing off. Turn on DLSS and you get smooth gameplay with ray tracing enabled. In Call of Duty Warzone, the frame rates stay high even in intense scenes. Valorant and CS2 run at very high FPS, well above 144 Hz, which is great for competitive play. Games like Red Dead Redemption 2 or Hogwarts Legacy also run very well. You can play at ultra settings and still get smooth performance. The large screen and high refresh rate make the experience more immersive. The combination of CPU and GPU is balanced. It doesn't bottleneck or stutter. Thermals remain under control. Even after hours of gaming, the temperatures stay within safe limits. The fans get a bit loud in turbo mode, but that's expected. You can switch to silent or performance mode for lighter tasks. Build quality is strong. The laptop feels sturdy and well made. The military grade rating gives extra peace of mind. The hinge is strong and holds the screen well. It opens up to 135 degrees. The screen has narrow bezels, which makes it feel even bigger. The software experience is clean. You don't get much bloatware. Windows 11 runs smoothly. ASUS includes My ASUS app as well, which handles updates and system checks. Armoury Crate is the main tool you'll use. It's intuitive and helpful. Let's talk about who this laptop is for. If you're a gamer who wants power, performance, and a large screen, this is for you. It's also great for students or professionals who do video editing, 3D modeling, or graphic design. The hardware can handle demanding software like Premiere Pro, Blender, and AutoCAD with ease. It's not the most portable laptop, so keep that in mind. If you move around a lot, you might prefer a smaller model. But if you want desktop-level performance in a laptop form, this is a great choice. You can use it for work, study, and play. It also has upgradable memory and storage. That makes it future-proof. You can start with the base model and upgrade later. Not all laptops allow that. In terms of price, it's not cheap. But for what you get, the value is strong. It offers better performance than many laptops in its range. The specs, build, and features justify the cost. You also get ASUS's TUF support and warranty. The TUF series is known for reliability and support. ASUS has a solid reputation in the gaming community. Updates are regular, and service centers are widely available for competitive gamers. The fast screen, responsive keyboard, and GPU power make a real difference. You get the edge in online games. For streamers, the laptop can handle streaming and gaming at the same time. You don't need a separate system. If you connect it to an external monitor, you can create a full desktop setup. The HDMI 2.1 and USB-C ports support high refresh rates and resolutions. You can run multiple screens easily. In conclusion, the ASUS TUF Gaming A18 FA808 is a serious gaming laptop. It offers high-end performance, a big and smooth display, and great cooling. It's not just for gaming, but for anyone who needs power and performance. The large form factor gives you better airflow and space for more features. From the design to the internals, everything feels well thought out. The keyboard, audio, display, and connectivity all add to the experience. It's a complete package. You won't feel like you're missing anything. This was our full review of the ASUS TUF Gaming A18 here on Tap Tech. If you're looking for a laptop that can do it all and last for years, this is one of the best options available today. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Tap Tech for more honest reviews and tech insights. Let us know what you think about the TUF A18 in the comments. Is this the gaming beast you were waiting for? Catch you in the next one.